Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south on East Street in downtown Kingston towards Kingston Waterfront. We are at Tower Street intersection. We are at Water Lane intersection. We are at Arbor Street intersection. We are at Port Royal Street, which is a one-way going right, west. On the left is East Street Car Park. We are now at Nethersole Place, which also goes left, but we are turning right onto Nethersole Place, which is also a one-way. On the left is Bank of Jamaica, and also on the left is Noel Newton Nethersole statue, father of the bank. To the right is Scotiabank. Nethersole Place ends, and just ahead is Ocean Boulevard, as well as straight across is the Jamaica Conference Center. We have made the left onto Ocean Boulevard. We are now at Kingston Waterfront, and to the left is the Kingston Harbour. Kingston Harbour is the 7th largest natural harbour in the world. The road Nethersole Place was named in honor of Noel Newton Nethersole. He was also referred to as father of the bank. Noel Newton Nethersole, aka Crab, born the 2nd of November 1903, died 17th of March 1959, was a Jamaican Rhodes Scholar, cricket player and administrator, lawyer, politician, economist, and Jamaica's Minister of Finance from 1955 to 1959. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.